Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your graphics card on HP Omen Transcend 14. In order to check your graphics card, right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now you'll be able to click on Performance tab and then you'll see two GPUs. You can see that one of them is Intel Arc Graphics, which is the lower performance GPU, but it is better for sure for things like the battery usage because it uses less power. But for games, the better one will be probably the NVIDIA one, or just the one that has better performance. Just this is the onboard graphics, and these are the dedicated GPU. And you can also see different data, not only the name of it, but you can see the GPU memory as well, and some other stuff. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.